World Underground.
These are the new parts from Polini with the DLC coating on them. This is new, it's coated. And the inside has like a new ceramic. And we noticed also the springs have a different color, and the material has other like flakes in it. And this is the new intake we made today with the spacer and everything. We installed the bearing.
World Underground.